Learn English with Yourinstill.
Is this seat free?
Yes. You can sit.
Thank you. I've been walking around for 10 minutes.
First day?
Is it that obvious?
A little. You look lost.
I am lost. I can't find the economics classroom.
Second floor, left side, last room.
You just saved my life.
That serious?
On the first day. Yes.
Well, welcome to college.
Thanks. Do you study here too?
Yes, second year.
Oh, so you're senior.
Don't call me that. It makes me feel old.
Sorry.
Relax. I'm joking.
You don't look like a second-year student.
Is that a compliment?
Maybe.
I'll take it.
So, are you excited?
A little nervous, honestly.
Why?
New place. New people. I don't know anyone here.
You know one person now.
That was fast.
I make friends quickly.
I'm not that confident.
You don't need confidence. Just be yourself.
That sounds easy when you say it.
Trust me. First week feels scary. After that, it feels like home.
I hope so.
You will be fine.
Can I ask something?
Sure.
Why did you choose this college?
It was my dream.
Really?
Yes, I worked hard to be here.
That's impressive.
What about you?
Honestly, my parents wanted this.
And you didn't?
I wasn't sure.
And now?
I don't know yet.
Maybe this place will surprise you.
Maybe.
You seem very calm.
I'm not calm. I just pretend well.
So you get nervous too?
Before every exam.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
Do you always sit here?
Sometimes. It's quiet.
I like quiet places.
Most people don't.
Most people talk too much.
And you don't?
Only when I'm comfortable.
Are you comfortable right now?
A little.
That's progress.
I'm glad I met you.
We just met 5 minutes ago.
Still, it feels easy.
Easy?
Yes, talking to you.
That's nice to hear.
I should probably go find my classroom now.
Second floor, left side, last room.
You remember?
Of course.
What if I get lost again?
Then come back here.
Will you be here tomorrow?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Depends if you survive your first day.
That's not very motivating.
You'll survive.
Thanks for helping me.
It's nothing.
It's not nothing. First impressions matter.
Was this a good one?
Yes, very good.
Good.
So, I'll see you around?
I hope so.
Wait,
Yes?
what's your name?
Oh, right.
I almost forgot to ask.
It's strange, isn't it?
What?
Meeting someone for the first time and feeling like it won't be the last.
Maybe it won't be.
Maybe this is just the beginning.
Maybe.
See you tomorrow?
See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.